The problem is that your sales process in all of your marketing or lack thereof is displaying a Toyota Camry. Okay, this video I'm going to talk about the price to value discrepancy. This is what is keeping you from selling your jobs at a higher profit margin because you don't understand this concept. So I have two vehicles here. I have a Toyota Camry. The MSRP is around $26,420, and I have a Ferrari F8 Spider. The MSRP is around $324, $342, call it $325,000. Let's round it up, $27,325,000. Now you guys watching this can easily say, yeah, obviously there's a difference in the value, right? Sports car, super fast, you know, premium, all that status. Toyota Camry, some middle-aged white guy drives, right? But here's the problem. A lot of you guys are trying to sell Toyota Camrys for $325,000 and you're getting turned down over and over and over. What you need to be doing is selling Ferrari Spiders for $27,000. And you may say, that's stupid, nobody's gonna do that. It's just an illustration, first off, okay? But the premise here, the whole point is that you raise the value that the client is receiving so that the price does not seem so shocking, right? They seem like they're getting more for what they're paying. Most of you are charging more for less than what you're delivering. And so you're basically selling the Toyota Camry for much more than it's worth. The idea is to provide more value so that what you charge does not seem like they're overpaying. It actually even seems like it's getting a deal. So if I was selling you a Ferrari and I told you I could sell it to you for $200,000, brand new, legit, and you know the retail is $324, you jump on that deal because you know you're getting a better deal. You're getting more value than what you're paying for. That's the secret. How do you do that in construction? Well, you have a better sales process. You have a good brand. You have a strong brand. You have a strong culture. You know how to effectively communicate with people. All of this stuff happens before the sale is made. So you're wanting people to look at the Ferrari and say, look at all my pictures that I've done. I've built this Ferrari and that's why you should pay this much. But the problem is that your sales process in all of your marketing or lack thereof is displaying a Toyota Camry. This is what your company looks like from the outside looking in. This is what you're promising. You need to flip the script. Your company needs to look like the Ferrari of all contractors that they can get for this price. That's the price to value discrepancy. Your branding, your image, your culture, your social media, your website, your reviews, your vehicle wraps, your uniforms, all of that stuff plays into whether you're delivering a Ferrari experience or a Toyota Camry experience. You think this doesn't matter, but optics matter way, way more in sales than the final product does. So if you start changing this and start providing more value through your marketing and sales, then you'll be able to sell Ferraris all day long.